Plugins are how we power up Claude Code. Need Claude to actually know how to create a PowerPoint or fill a PDF form? There's a plugin for that. Need Claude to connect to some data source? There's probably already a plugin for that. The ecosystem is growing quickly, with official and community marketplaces full of ready-to-use tools. And it's also super easy to add your own when you need something specific. In this episode, I'll show you how to find, install, and manage plugins. Plus, my curated starter pack to get you going immediately. Hey, Alex here from Grit AI Studio. The Claude Code plugin ecosystem has exploded. Official marketplace, community marketplaces, individual plugin repos. There's a lot out there and it can be overwhelming. Today, I'm cutting through the noise. I'll show you how the plugin system works, how to find good plugins, how to install them safely, and I'll give you my curated starter pack. The 5 plugins that I think every Claude Code user should have. This is not about building plugins. That's going to be a different episode. This is about getting value from what's already out there. So let's go. A Claude Code plugin is a collection of one or more of these. Slash commands, commands that you can invoke directly. Skills, markdown-based expertise that triggers automatically based on context. Subagents, specialized AI personas for specific tasks. Hooks, pre-post tool use automation, security checks, formatting, logging, and MCP servers. Connect Claude to external tools and APIs. I know it can be a bit confusing as skills, slash commands, subagents all seem to blur and merge these days. But yeah, any of these can essentially go into a plugin. Plugins live in a cache directory managed by Claude Code. Each plugin has a plugin.json manifest that describes what it provides. The key concept: marketplaces are catalogs of plugins. Think of them like package registries. You register a marketplace once, then install any plugin from it. There are 3 ways to find plugins. 1, through the official Anthropic marketplace. This is available by default. The official marketplace, Claude Plugins Official, is automatically registered when you install Claude Code. You don't need to add anything. Simply run /plugin and navigate to the Discover tab. You can use Tab to cycle through the 4 tabs. The Discover tab allows you to browse available plugins from all of your marketplaces. The Install tab allows you to view and manage your installed plugins. Marketplaces is where you can add, remove, or update your marketplace sources. And the Error tab shows debugging and any plugin loading issues. The Discover tab shows official curated plugins. You'll see the plugin name, description, what it provides, and installation options. Hit Enter to enter the marketplace and hit Enter to see the details for a selected plugin. You can hit I to install, and you hit Escape to go back up. Community-maintained marketplaces have broader selection. The biggest one is Anthropic's demo plugin collection. Use the command plugin marketplace, add Anthropic /Claude Code. This gives you access to demo plugins showing what's possible, including the front-end design skill, code review, and security guidance. You can also add any GitHub repo with a Claude plugin marketplace JSON as a marketplace. And you can even add local directories for development. Installing plugins is dead simple. You can either use the /plugin and browse through the interactive interface, or use the direct command for a specific plugin. Go to the Discover tab, select a plugin, hit Enter, and then you can choose the scope. The user scope works in all of your projects. Personal tools go here. The project scope is shared with your team via Git, and team workflows typically go here. And then you have local scope, just this project, not tracked in version control. After installing, the plugin's commands are immediately available. So one important thing to know. Before installing any plugin, understand that Anthropic does not control what's in third-party plugins. MCP servers, scripts, hooks. Check the plugin's homepage and source code. Every plugin is open source, so you can read exactly what it does before installing. Generally, don't trust those plugins with very few stars on GitHub. To manage your plugins, go to /plugin and then go to the Install tab, where you can see plugins grouped by scope. You can disable plugins like this, re-enable them like this, or completely remove them. You should also update your plugins regularly. This refreshes the marketplace and updates installed plugins to their latest version. Official Anthropic marketplaces auto-update by default. Third-party marketplaces don't, so you have to toggle this per marketplace in the Marketplaces tab. When auto-update is enabled, Claude Code refreshes marketplace data and updates plugins at startup. If anything updates, you'll see a notification suggesting a restart. Fair warning, removing a marketplace uninstalls all plugins that you installed from it, so be careful. Okay, so here's my curated list. Not exhaustive, just the ones that gives you the most value immediately. First, let's talk about superpowers. Superpowers enforces brainstorming, plan, implement, review, and verify on every task. It includes a browser-based visual companion for design brainstorming. Without it, Claude skips steps. With it, Claude follows a senior developer's workflow. 14 skills covering the full development lifecycle. We actually did a full deep dive on this one, link in the description below. If you only install one plugin, I suggest you make this the one. Next up, the front-end design skill. This allows us to create beautiful UI. It provides design, system knowledge, component patterns, and styling best practices. Claude generates production-grade, distinctive UI instead of generic AI slop. This plugin gives it taste and design sensibility. It triggers automatically for any front-end work. Next up, we have the commit commands. This adds Git workflow commands, smart commit message generation, push and pull request workflows, and branch cleanup. Just makes it easier to work with Git. Every developer commits multiple times a day. These commands follow best practices automatically. Proper commit message format, staging only relevant files, and co-author attribution. You can also adjust and change that to your likings. Okay, next up is actually the plugin development skill. This gives us a complete toolkit for creating Claude Code plugins, with skills for hook development, agent development, command development, MCP integration, and skill creation. Once you get comfortable using plugins, you'll probably want to create your own. This plugin gives you the methodology and skill reviewer agent to do that right. Okay, next up, and this is probably one of the first ones you want to install, document skills. This allows us to create any document format. Comprehensive document creation and manipulation. PDFs, Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, PowerPoint presentations, extract text, fill forms, merge documents, create from scratch. Claude Code becomes a document powerhouse. Need to generate a report as a formatted doc file? Create a data analysis spreadsheet or fill out a PDF form? We've got you covered with this one. Check the Discover tab for the latest document-related plugins. Okay, let's do a few more honorable mentions. The Playground plugin. This gives us an interactive HTML playground generator for visual exploration. This is pretty awesome, and we actually did a separate video on this one. Check it out over here. Then you have Slack integration for those of you using Slack. This gives us channel digest, stand-up generation, message search, and so much more. Then we have the MCP apps plugin, which allows us to build interactive UIs for MCP servers. And you should also check out the Claude API plugin that just teaches Claude how to build applications with Claude. Oh, and I also love the Notion connector, which is a must-have if you're a Notion user. If you're working with a team, plugins get even better. Project Scope plugins get committed to Claude settings JSON in your repository. When team members clone and trust the folder, the plugins are available automatically. We'll cover building your own plugins in a separate video. You can configure required marketplaces in your project's settings JSON. When team members trust the repo, Claude Code automatically installs those marketplaces and any plugins specified. You can enforce even stricter control if you're on the enterprise plans. Here, admins can lock down which marketplaces users can add using strict known marketplaces in the manage settings. An empty array means complete lockdown. Specific list, only those marketplaces are allowed. And this is enforced before any network operation. Okay, here are some pro tips for plugins. Start with the official marketplace. It's curated and auto updates. Install to user scope for personal tools, project scope for team workflows. Plugin commands are namespaced. Check /help to see your new commands. Every plugin is open source. Read the source before installing third-party plugins that you don't trust. Auto updates keep official plugins current. Toggle per marketplace in the UI. And if you're stuck, use Claude --debug when something isn't working to see exactly what's loading and what isn't. The plugin ecosystem is what takes Claude Code from good to great. You don't need to install everything. Start with the starter pack and add more as you discover needs. 3 things to remember. The official marketplace is already registered. Just type /plugin. Community marketplaces needs one-time registration with /plugin marketplace add. Every plugin is open source, so you can read exactly what it does before installing. Install the starter pack today. You'll notice the difference in your first session. If you want to learn more about the Superpower plugin, make sure you check out that episode. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more Claude Code deep dives. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.